If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can display images according to their date. To do so, click View in the menu bar, and then click Set Date Range from the list of choices. In the Set Date Range dialog box that appears, select a date range by entering a start and end date for the filter. Then click the OK button to view the matching media. You can then select View from the menu bar again, and Clear Date Range to clear the filter and view all of the media once again. This works in conjunction with the timeline view. To both show and hide the timeline view above the media in the organizer window, select View, Timeline from the menu bar. You can see photos shown as stacks within the timeline. You can click a stack in the timeline to select and show the first photo in that period highlighted in green within the organizer window. If available, you can click the left and right pointing arrows at the far ends of the timeline to scroll through the years in the timeline. To restrict the date ranges in the timeline, click and drag the end caps at either end of the timeline inward towards the center to set the start and end dates shown in the timeline. This is the same thing as using the Set Date Range command to select the date values used to filter the photos. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.